What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how the clips are made for whoever's interested. Mostly not working. Left a wonderful comment. I know it's not about the tools, but I'm curious what tools you use for high-level looming. Thank you for the compliment. Or maybe one day you can do behind the scenes. So that's what we're gonna do. First thing you need is a video that you want to clip. Today I'm going to be using this wonderful talk from Climbing Mount Sophia. And let's say you're inspired. You're listening to some video at work or something, and you're inspired. You're like, wow, I wish everyone could hear this. I suggest that you take a screenshot at the time. So you grab the timestamp so you don't forget it. It's easy to find. And now we need to download the video. I use this app here called 4K Video Downloader. This might be malware. This is not an endorsement, but yeah, it's been working for me. There's also plenty of websites. You just paste the link. Bada boom, bada boom. So I've already done this. I have a video file here. And once you have the video file, you're going to need a video editing software. I use, not trying to flex here, all right? I use iMovie. You don't need much. And I'm pretty sure iMovie comes with all MacBooks, not sure about Windows. And there's other free applications. For example, DaVinci Resolve. I haven't toyed around with this. It was recommended to me and it has a lot more features than iMovie. So if so inclined, you can check that out. And now let's start. Now open iMovie, make a new project, drag in your video. All right, and then you're gonna go to your screenshots. For me, it's right about here. And if you hit M, that'll make a marker like that. This thing over here is the zoom in. And then if you right click, you can split the clip, cut it down to the size that you're looking for. And take some time, make it nice, make it nice. And then we'll talk about the music after. So I'm gonna pause the recording. Be right back. All right. Now I have this all cut up. I went a little crazy on it. Yeah, now we look for a song. Look at the time here, 3:41. I recommend using SoundCloud. A lot of people on SoundCloud don't copyright stuff. A lot of people actually, would be happy to have their music publicized. I've only run into an issue, I think once or twice. It was part of a record label. But in general, yeah, that's what I would suggest. Look at the time, find something that's right around there. You want to start creative, creativity. I'm gonna find a song and I'll be right back. All right. Once you got your song, check for any sections of the clip that are particularly loud or quiet. Change the volume. And then I like to add the intro, outro. And then sometimes a little fade in. This little thing right here, if you're using iMovie, if you drag it, it'll fade in from both sides. But if you hold Option, then it'll go from one side. Get the stars up in there. This messes on the beginning here, so I need to take these. This is this is some advanced reaping here. Take that little intro part, export this, and place that in here. So now this one here has got the fade in. Now I'll extend this over so that it looks like this. Bada boom. Do the same thing on the other end. Might as well finish it here. And once you have that done, you are good to export it. I still have to adjust the audio, but yeah, once you do that, go to share, file, come up with a genius saintly title. And there you go. I wish you all happy clipping. Thanks for watching.